Hi Queens, how are you guys doing today? Happy Easter, even though Easter was over yesterday. I hope you ate loads of chocolate eggs. I'm currently still eating eggs. Look at these bad boys. Oh yeah, Queen. I mean, what a better way to start a video than eating Easter eggs. Like, so good. Okay, Queens, so today I'm going to be showing you 7 different hacks, okay? Hacks that you did not know, or you may not know, sorry. Hacks you did know, or you didn't know. Hacks I definitely didn't know as well, and I just love to learn about different ways to like hack clothes, etc. So I'm gonna be showing you guys on the screen what I'm actually talking about. I'm gonna show you how to do the method as well as showing you the pictures. Now, if you are like me, there's gonna be tons of times when you've spilt makeup on the floor. I think that just happened to me about 5 minutes ago. Romeo actually spilt my foundation on the beige carpet. Okay, so I'm currently gonna have to do my video and then deal with that after, but we get job done. We get job done, honeys. Okay, Queens, so let's get into the 7 hacks. Hack number 1, de-peel your clothes with a razor, okay? De-peel your clothes with a razor. So just like any time when you're shaving, that's how you would use it. If you've got bubble on your clothes or there's thread hanging off and you don't really want to pull it because obviously it ends up making a big hole, you can get a razor blade just to shimmer off the ends, shimmer off that bubble, shimmer off that unwanted excess, blah, 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 that you do not want on your clothes, honeys, because it's so annoying when you've got bubbles on your jumper. If you've done it on like a higher wash than it should have been, you want to be making sure that you remove all that excess lint as well, because it's so annoying when you're wearing an item and there's bubbles everywhere and it's a really nice clean top and you've overwashed it or you've washed it too many times. You just want to make sure that you're always looking fresh and clean. So to do that, use that razor, honeys, use that razor. Hack number 2, use a Sharpie pen to cover any bleach stains. So like you would with anything, just order a Sharpie pen if you do not have one anywhere, or like a permanent marker, black, may I add. And what you would do is you would just blot any stains that you have and immediately it will be covered. Obviously it would have to be black clothing because you wouldn't want to do it on white clothing, would you? Unless you're trying to look like the 101 Dalmatians or a Dalmatian. I don't know why I always say 101 Dalmatian, I just think of the film. By the way, that is actually my favourite film. Hack number 3, stop your flies from opening. How annoying is it when your flies are constantly opening and it's like broken a little bit or they're just a little bit too tight? It's just so annoying. So what you would do is use an elastic band and put the elastic band around your actual zip onto the button. That's also another hack when you're pregnant and your jeans don't fit. You would use an elastic band as I show on the screen. You'll see exactly how the method is used. It's very easy and it's such a great method to use if you're out. I mean, girls are always carrying spare hair ties around, aren't they? Well, I think maybe not everyone. Hack number 4, use shaving foam to get rid of any makeup stains. I need to see if my partner has got any shaving foam because potentially I could actually use that on the carpet. Oh my God, Queens, like I've just said a hack and now I can actually go and use it. Like I love that. So yeah, any makeup stains. Again, it could be on clothing. As the picture shows you, this is mainly what they would use it for, to be honest with you. Also, make sure after you've used the shaving foam on any stains that you wash your clothes immediately after, because obviously it can leave like an oil base on your clothing and it could stain it even more to the point where you won't be able to get it out. So it's always best to just put it in a wash straight after you're done with it. Then that way afterwards everything will be perfect and there will be no extra problems, because you do not need any more problems. Hack number 5. Now I love this hack because I actually have this problem a lot of the time. Widen your shoes by filling it with water. Okay, Queens, so you're probably thinking, what are you talking about? You're crazy, never heard it, you're talking rubbish. I actually did this with a pair of shoes. I think it was last summer. I filled it up with water and I put it in the fridge overnight to freeze, and the next day it literally expanded my shoes, okay? It works. I have wide feet, so a lot of shoes are not built for wide feet. So often you have to either keep looking or just basically forget that pair of shoes that you really wanted. Well, not today, honeys, because this hack will definitely help you to expand your shoes so you can wear them perfectly. Hack number 6, try on jeans without actually trying on jeans. Okay, I know that sounds a bit like a riddle, but guess what? I hate going into stores and trying on clothes, especially jeans, especially if it's a really hot day. I just can't be bothered. I get all sweaty, I get all fuzzled and muddled, and I just think, why can there not be an easier trick to do this? Well, guess what, queens? There is. See if the waistline will fit around your neck. If it does, then there's a high probability that those jeans will fit around your waist. If you don't believe me, just try it. And finally and lastly, hack number 7. Talcum powder removes oil stains, okay? So if you've been cooking or any type of oil, using anything like that, and you get it on your clothing, talcum powder will get rid of it. And how? Okay, so what you would need to do is you would need to apply the talcum powder to the stains and leave it overnight. Then immediately the next day, you will definitely see a change. It would have gone. If it hasn't, repeat, repeat, repeat. You need to be making sure you're leaving it overnight, queens. I know you probably want to check it to see, but I promise you, leave it overnight and you will definitely see the outcome. The result will be just what you wanted. And if it hasn't, comment down below and I'll eat, I don't know, 10 bags of Doritos. I don't really like Doritos. I like the new spicy ones they have, but I'm not a big fan, so I'll do it if I have to. It's a challenge. It's on, queens. Okay, queens, so I hope you've loved all the hacks. By the way, I have tons more hacks in my ebook, okay? My ebook is full of so many hacks and tips, shopping on a budget, discount codes, and so much more, queens, okay? The ebook I was working on for a year and I released it last year, okay? I've had a few sales, but I definitely want to alert you guys more about it because I do feel like it can really benefit you and help you, especially if you're staying in and you need to do some hacks on your clothes or you need some tips for like loungewear or discount codes online. It's all in my ebook, okay? And the link to my ebook will be down below. Okay, queens, so which one was your favorite hack? Which one did you like? From 1 to 7, comment down below and let me know which one was your favorite. For me, I'd probably say my favorite was shaving foam for makeup stains because I now have to go and deal with that. It's like all over the carpet and then my toddler wobbled into the kitchen. No, he didn't. He wobbled into the bathroom and left stains on the bottom of his feet. I mean, it's perfect, but he had a bath just after, so it's fine. But yeah, I'm gonna now have to go and deal with that hack and I'll let you guys know as well how good it worked. Okay, queens, thank you so much for watching. And again, I hope you had a really nice Easter with your family. I hope you're staying safe. I hope you're washing your hands. I cooked a really nice roast dinner on Sunday. It was so perfect. My partner was like 10 out of 10. So yes, I love roast dinners, by the way. I didn't have lamb, I had chicken, but yeah, I still loved it anyway. And I've still got loads more Easter eggs to eat, which I'm gonna do right after I've edited this video. Okay, queens, well, it was lovely to speak to you as always. Make sure you comment down below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell, that notification. You'll be alerted straight away because you might be missing my video. So if you turn the bell on, the notification, it will alert you when I have done a new video. It's very, very important. And I will see you, queens, in the next video. If there's any video ideas you want me to do, let me know, queens, and I will definitely do that for you. Any questions about anything, just come to me and I will be there for you, my queenies. Take care of yourselves, have a great day, and I will speak to you soon. Mwah.